Welcome to our house. Upstanding rectangular type of place in a tall terrace of houses just off a square, Mountjoy Square, with its gracious houses and its enclosed park. Near the city, to the north of a city in what once was most likely a coastal hill area with hedges, trees and unruly stones, mouldy old stones. Hacked hedges used, I suppose, by generations of people from settlements nearby to wood fuel winter fires and summer fires. Maybe this area had linear walls too, that herders used for keeping animals safely confined and out of harm. Feeding the people of the time with meat and probably fish too. That's it, feeding all, including warriors, and keeping them warm during the night with wood cuttings set alight. Fire, hot fire, for cooking of course too. Pig dung, ram dung aplenty in the roadways, everywhere. Malodorous and stinking place. A changed place now, Fatima House, a place for keeping guests, filled with persons visiting from other lands. Welcome to our house, Fáilte. A house called Fatima House, which was once a homely residence, a place of poetry with a growing family. Where are they now, I wonder? A house with fine light-filled rooms, well, one or two, and some plain rooms too. Stables to the rear back then, horses were housed there. Welcome to our house, a place reared on old stories of love and hate and further intrigue. Still the stories evolve. That name, Fatima, chosen because of the proximity of the guest house to a place of God. The church, in cut stone with its connection to St. Francis, and neighbouring Fatima House honouring that saintly woman of Nazareth. A religious institution and a business name loosely connected with the Virgin of that church, both standing opposite each other, brick structure facing a decorative stone structure, standing proud and bold, both. Dublin once was not there. The river arrived, and later, much later, the first bridge. The first bridge from almost 1,000 years ago, wooden I suppose, like all structures then. And now a terrace with a house, a modest house, a place for guests, a modest place for guests in a coastal city of boggy grey Ireland with its green fields, a wee spot on the globe. Welcome to our house, Fáilte, welcome in the door. There's a Georgian doorway at the front. Do pass in through from that gritty street and talk to us. Callers who knocked to gain entry during the 19th century were entertained in a room beside the Georgian entrance. That room, then known as the front parlour, is now room 14, which contains 4 beds. We talk now in the downstairs breakfast room, a room filled with tables and chairs set in rows. A lower ground room that looks out to the rear garden with its tiny lawn. Rooms of old with a life new. That is number 17 Gardner Street, upper as it is today. Fáilte.